নমস্কাৰ বন্ধু-বান্ধৱীসকল স্বাগতম জনাইছো মুনমি গইনা এটা ভিডিও লৈ আজি ভিডিওটোত আপোনালোকক মোস্ট ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট পলিটি MCQ 20 টা অৱগত কৰিব বিচাৰিছো আপোনালোকে ভিডিওটো প্ৰথমৰ পৰা শেষলৈকে চাব আৰু যিকোনো এক্সামৰ বাবে আপোনালোকৰ সুবিধা হ'ব গতিকে আপোনালোকে নিজে চোৱাৰ পৰিও আপোনালোকৰ বন্ধুবৰ্গৰ মাজত শ্বেয়াৰ কৰিব বুলি আশা ৰাখিলো ভিডিওটো সম্পূৰ্ণকৈ চাও First question Name of the state has the largest Vidhan Sabha Legislative Assembly Answer hole Uttar Pradesh 2 hole By whom was the first Prime Minister of India appointed Answer hole the Governor General 3 Name of the largest Union Territory of India Answer hole Pondicherry Number 4 Name of the person who held the office of the Vice President of India for 2 full terms Dr. S. Radhakrishnan Number 5 Who was the chairman of the Rajya Sabha Answer hole Vice President Number 6 To whom are the Council of Ministers in India Cabinet collectively responsible Answer hole Parliament Number 7 question Who appoints the Attorney General of India Answer hole President Number 8 Who appoints the Chief Minister of a state in India Answer hole Governor of State Number 9 question Who is the head of the Council of Ministers Answer hole Prime Minister Number 10 question Who was the minimum age to qualify for the election to the Lok Sabha Answer hole 25 years Question 11 Who appoints the Cabinet Minister at the center Answer hole President 12 Who appoints the Chief Justice of India Answer hole President বন্ধু-বান্ধৱীসকল ভিডিওটো সম্পূৰ্ণকৈ চাব আৰু নিশ্চয় শ্বেয়াৰ কৰিব বুলি আশা কৰিছো Question number 13 What is the retirement age of the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court of India Answer hole 65 years 14 question hole What is the maximum number of member in the Rajya Sabha Answer hole 250 members Question number 15 When were the first general election held in India Answer 1952 16 question When was the first Lok Sabha constitution in India 17 April 1952 Question number 17 How many schedules are there in the Constitution of India at present Answer hole 12 18 question Who appoints their chiefs of India Armed Forces Answer hole President Next question number 19 What is the maximum number of elected members in a state assembly Answer hole 500 Question number 20 Who appoints the Chief Selection Commissioner of India Answer hole President বন্ধুসকল ভিডিওটো চাই কেনে পালে নিশ্চয় কমেন্ট বক্সত জনাব লগতে আপোনালোকৰ বন্ধুবৰ্গৰ মাজত শ্বেয়াৰ কৰিব যিকোনো কম্পিটিটিভ এক্সামিনেচনৰ কাৰণে আপোনালোকৰ সুবিধা হোৱাকৈ 20 টা কুৱেশ্যন এনসাৰ আপোনালোকলৈ প্ৰেৰণ কৰিলো লগতে আপোনালোকে শ্বেয়াৰ কৰিব সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিব যিসকলে প্ৰথমবাৰৰ বাবে চাইছে আৰু লাইক কমেন্ট নকৰাকৈ নাথাকিব